Ultrasonic coating is one of the most effective ways to apply uniform catalyst layers in fuel cell manufacturing. In this video, we'll explain how ultrasonic coating improves catalyst deposition, uniformity, and performance in fuel cells and electrolyzers. Catalyst layers are often made from carbon-based inks loaded with precious metal particles, and how evenly those particles are distributed has a major impact on performance, durability, and material usage. One of the biggest challenges in fuel cell and electrolysis manufacturing is applying these catalyst coatings uniformly. If particles clump together or deposit unevenly, large portions of the catalyst surface become inaccessible, reducing efficiency and shortening device lifetime. This is especially important when working with expensive materials like platinum or iridium. In catalyst coating, uniformity isn't just about thickness. It's also about controlling droplet size, porosity, and how the catalyst layer forms at a microscopic level. These factors directly affect how gases, liquids, and ions move through the membrane during operation. Ultrasonic catalyst coating addresses this challenge by using high-frequency vibration to atomize liquid catalyst inks into very consistent droplets. As the liquid is atomized, ultrasonic energy actively breaks up agglomerated particles, helping ensure the catalyst remains evenly dispersed right up to the point of deposition. This results in a tight droplet size distribution and a more uniform catalyst layer. Because droplet size can be controlled, manufacturers can influence the structure of the catalyst layer itself. Finer droplets can create more porous coatings, increasing effective surface area and improving reaction efficiency. At the same time, the low-velocity nature of ultrasonic spray helps minimize overspray and material waste. These advantages are especially valuable for proton exchange membrane fuel cells and PEM electrolyzers, where consistent coating of membranes, gas diffusion layers, and electrodes is critical. Uniform catalyst deposition improves repeatability, coating durability, and overall device lifetime. Another important benefit is scalability. The same coating principles used during early-stage research and development can be applied as processes move toward pilot production and high-volume manufacturing, without fundamentally changing the coating method. As fuel cells and electrolyzers continue to play a growing role in hydrogen production and advanced energy systems, precise catalyst coating remains a key enabling technology.